First of this motion, I remain Leo Okuwe, representing the Isoko constituency, Mr. Speaker. My colleague, Delta State. I am clearly the provision of Section 36 of our Constitution again. And anchor clearly on the principles of fair hearing. Mr. Speaker, my colleagues, when you read this resolution, which shall resolve that urge the Minister of Interior and the Nigerian Immigration Service to initiate measures aimed at batting to 10-year transfer policy of the Nigerian International Passport. I think it is important we appreciate the fact that nationwide, worldwide, people are going into conformity with present-day reality and developments. There are a lot of things happening as it borders on the electronic system of operations as of today. And as much as I don't disagree with the prayer of his motion, I think the committee vis-a-vis the agency, which is the immigration, should be able to tell my colleague and the Nigerian House the reason behind the introduction of the electronic passport system, and also be able to tell and explain why it is a 5 years biometric arrangement. If we take this resolution, Mr. Speaker, it's very dangerous. It goes away as the last motion, so that we don't belabor it. It goes to the committee, and the committee can now give us a explain to us why this particular arrangement without over labor for take issue, probably put in the card.